Hello! Welcome everyone! We've finally got to the first exercise. In this chapter, we will warm up first. We won't draw, but we'll paint all the base colors first. Let's get started! First of all, I want everyone to prepare the color palette first. Go to Palettes. We will set the color palette that we have already imported as default. The set that we'll choose is the Wave Vase with Peony Set. Click on Set as Default. Now we're going to paint one by one. The steps are not difficult at all. I'll start from the petals first. Tap to select flower petals. Then add a layer. But if your iPad doesn't have a lot of memory or low RAM, you can paint in the base layer. Choose this pink color. That's it, it's very easy. Now we will paint all the petals. Choose a petal, add a layer, and fill the pink color in. Complete all the petals. The petals inside as well. Each petal has a different shape, so the UV map will be separated. We may be a little tired of painting them, but the work will definitely come out beautiful. Okay, the flower part is complete. Now let's paint the stem. Don't forget to add a layer. For the stem, I'll use this light green color here. The leaves, use the second green color. All the leaves are sharing the same UV map, so we can paint on just one leaf. There's the soil here. I'll choose the dark brown color. As for the curvy part of the vase, I'll leave it in white. But on the handle here, I'll paint it with gold color, which is the color we're using, as a base color is the yellow color. Okay, now we're ready for the next step. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to paint the vase with oil color. Let's go!
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my 3D painting in Procreate Mastery. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.